Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to stream from iPhone or another mobile device on Kick website. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, make sure you go to kick.com. By the way, this won't work on the application. For some reason, it doesn't work for me and some of my friends. So just go to kick.com and sign in into your Kick account. And then just click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen like this. And then just click on settings. And here, just click on stream URL and key. So just click on it. And here, just click on create restream account. So just click and open it in a new tab like this, and here you will be redirected to this page once you have signed up for a restream account. I've already done that. So first of all, just grab your channel URL like this. So I'll just do it, and here just paste in your channel URL, go back to settings and then stream URL and key, and here just copy the first one and paste it here like this, and then go back once again, paste the stream key, copy and paste the stream key here, and then just click add channel, and here it will add your Kick channel. And now you can just copy the RTMP URL like this. This is the link for mobile, so you can just copy it and put it in your streaming software like OBS or whatever you're using on your iPhone or Android device. So this is going to be your stream URL. Just copy and paste this stream URL on your streaming software, and this is how you stream on an iPhone device or another mobile device. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.